guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick video about what's in my carry-on. I've been traveling a lot more lately. I just actually came back from my trip to Mexico. I was there for a week. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's talk about the bag. Well, for me, it's really essential to have a comfortable bag that I can carry. I also really like bags that are open and you can see everything right off the bat. But it's from Adrian Vittadini. So this is what it looks like. It's gray in color. It's everything that I need perfectly without looking all squished and crazy in here. So let me go ahead and show you what it actually looks like inside. So this is what it looks like. It's very compact. Everything is neat and organized, just like I like it, and I don't have to constantly search for anything because everything is in plain view. Alright, so let's get started with the first thing I have in there. So the first thing is my laptop. And I always bring my laptop with me on trips because first of all, I like to work on it. I actually save all the things that I need to do that don't require internet. I write things down and then I can go through the list and get it done because usually my flights are 5 hours and more, so that gives me more than enough time to get things done. I have my agenda. Actually, it's a Lily Pulitzer agenda and I love it so much because one, it's really cute. It's like colorful, it has stickers in it, and it just looks like this. It's perfect. I love it so much. So yeah, so I always take my agenda with me. I have my notes in there, I have my plans, just a lot of things. I have like tickets in there, anything that I need. Next is my wallet. So this is the wallet that I use every day with me. It looks like this. I actually have had this one for a really long time. It's great for travel, but I've had this wallet for so long and it's great. I actually got it at like TJ Maxx or something for like 12 bucks and it's lasted me for a really long time. I just have like my credit cards, my debit card, my insurance. I'm not gonna really go through it. There's actually a lot of things in there right now that needs to be sorted out. So yeah, let's not go into that right now, but wallet. Next, I have my little makeup bag, and this is the stuff that I use on the plane. This is just a smaller version of the bigger products, and they're all very compact, and I really love this plastic see-through bag. I got it at Target. I believe it was only about $10. It's perfect because you can see everything right through and you don't need to sort and look around, especially sometimes in the plane it gets very dim when they dim the lights. So you can just kind of like see everything and not have to kind of like try to scramble to find things. So yeah, I really like these, and they come in about 3 different sizes and a few shapes, and you can get this at Target. They have some Tylenol because sometimes you do get headaches, or if you're sick you just want to make sure that you know you have something to relieve that headache or that pain. Next, I have a lotion because let's face it, flying in an airplane no matter the distance is really drying. I actually have a hand lotion, and this one is from Bubble. Your favorite perfume with. It looks like a little perfume. It has a little spray nozzle. So what you do is you turn the travel upside down, put it down in your perfume bottle, press down, and it fills up. And once it fills up, you can use this. It's lasting you for like a while. So I use this probably every day for 7 days of my trip, and I still have like 1/3 left. So it really lasts a long time. Next, concealer, and this one is from Benefit, the Boing Airbrush Concealer. And this is great because it hides the under eye bags that you usually get from lack of sleep or dry hair. It looks like this. It is not liquid, so it doesn't get messy. You self-explanatory. You need chapstick. Then I have this. This is my favorite thing right now. I'm currently really obsessed with it. It's the Caudalie spray. It's a beauty elixir and it's so refreshing, especially when your skin gets too dry in the airplane. You just want to get that misty, airy feeling, and this is perfect. It smells really refreshing. It smells nice, and I've been using it. I'm actually almost out. See, I need to go get more, but I love it. I use this even on a daily basis, so this is really great, especially after a flight, during the flight when your skin is really dry. Actually, another lip balm, and this is the Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm. I have no idea why it's called like that. However, I use it on my lips and it gives me this plump look. It says it's 100% natural. It feels really great on your lips. It's a little sample size and I love it a lot. Next, I have like a smoothing hair product. It smooths it out because my hair gets really frizzy. So I just put it in this little bottle because it's perfect. It doesn't leak. It's travel size. And the last two items I have is my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. So I just took this over my cheeks, my neck, give myself a little color, and it works perfectly. It actually even comes with a little brush, which I have not actually used. It comes with this little brush and it comes with a mirror as well. And then I have this Glow and More Lily from L'Oreal Paris in number 508, and I like to put this on my skin a little bit just to give it a little glow as well, because I get really pale after an airplane flight and it's just nice to have like a little bit of color. That's all in my little clear travel bag, and it's perfect because it's just enough stuff and it puts everything I need. Alright, moving forward on to the next thing. Eyeglasses case or sunglasses case. So I just have one pair of sunglasses. I usually just bring one. One is usually enough. I have my little passport case and so this passport case I actually got at TJ Maxx. It's great because it looks like this, compact. I can find it anywhere. It's a nice great color. It's from Laura Ashley. When you open it up, it has these little compartments, these little tabs, and the tabs say passport, documents, itinerary, and other. And so I really like this because I can kind of itemize everything in each tab. So in here I have some cash, money, and then I usually have my passport in my passport tab. In my other tab, I also carry my Kindle. It fits perfectly and I don't want it to break amidst all the other things. So yeah, it just fits really well in there and I always know where it is. And then I have like my other documents. I have my like plane tickets, travel itineraries, my travel insurance that's also in here. And then it has this little zipper pouch as well. And here, in the zipper pouch, I just put like extra change, anything like that, change for my trip. And so yeah, that works out great as well. So also I have this little charging station, and it comes like zipped up like that. And so what's great about it is you open it up, it looks like this. I have my charger here, my earphones. I have my portable charger that I really like because let's face it, iPhones, any phones, battery dies really quickly, and you just want to be able to charge without having to look for a wall outlet. So this is perfect. I actually got both these things at TJ Maxx. This one was $20, the actual charging station, but it's great because it lasts a really long time. I charged my phone about 4 to 5 times in one day, and it was great. And then this one I also got at like TJ Maxx, and it's just a really cool little thing. And then finally, in the last like section, it kind of looks like this. It opens up and you have some things in here. And all I have in here really is some face masks. I like to put those on when I have a long flight just to relax a little bit. A hairbrush because I like to brush my hair after I get off the flight. And I have my charger for my computer. That is basically all I put in my carry-on bag. I have a suitcase that I don't need to check in, and that works well, so I just put all the rest of my things. So I never have had a problem with lost luggage. Usually if I am going to check in a bigger suitcase, I will bring a change of clothes. However, I haven't been doing that because I don't really need to, as my suitcase comes with me on the plane and I put it in the overhead bin, and so it works out perfectly for me. So yeah, I hope you guys really like this video. I hope you guys got some ideas if necessary. If you have any ideas about what you put in your carry-on bag, please leave a comment down below and I would love a big thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye!